Meaning of gang show.
Gang show.
Gang show.
Gang show.
Gang show. A gang show is a type of variety show performed by members of the scouting and guiding movements. It typically includes song and dance numbers, comedy sketches, and other entertaining acts. The purpose of a gang show is to showcase the talents of young people involved in these organizations while promoting their values and ideals. Gang shows have been performed around the world since the 1930s, with many becoming regular annual events. They provide a fun and engaging way for young people to develop confidence, teamwork skills, and a sense of community spirit.